it's not, you can't ice fish yet. It's not thick enough.
Welcome to 2025 Toyota Tacoma TRD off-road package in premium trim. So this bronze oxide truck comes with iForce Max turbocharged hybrid engine, putting out about 326 horsepower and 465 foot-pounds of torque. It does have a part-time 4x4 system with a 2-speed electronically controlled transfer case and electronically controlled locking rear differential. Comes with multi-terrain select system that includes sand, mud, rocks, snow, etc. and also has crawl control with downhill assist. Now the TRD off-road premium package includes Softex trimmed seats with heated and ventilated 8-way power adjustable front seats. It's got leather trimmed steering wheel that is also heated. Comes with a huge 14-inch multimedia display, JBL premium audio with JBL Flex portable Bluetooth speaker. It's got moonroof. It is pre-wired with auxiliary switches. Digital rear view mirror is really cool. Towing technology package with trailer brake controller. It also has the power open close tailgate and power horizontal rear window. So that is in a nutshell what a TRD off-road premium package brings. It costs about $8,500. Now this truck also has additional option. It's a $1,200 option of the stabilizer disconnect mechanism. It has a spray-on bed liner for another $575, door edge guards that cost about $155, and mud guards for $60. So we've got about 10 grand worth of options on this one, and it is really, really nice. Check it out. Feel it's quieter than the Colorado?
Yes.
Yeah. So the first thing that stands out is really how quiet the cabin is. Probably thanks to the multi-link coil spring suspension in the back and the off-road tuned suspension with Bilstein shocks. It rides on 18-inch Vulcan Wallpeak AT tires, and that gives it a lot of a good cushion. Now, if you compare this to a plain SR version that starts at about $36,000, there's no sunroof, there's no sliding rear window, there's no trailer brake controller, there is no soft open tailgate option, it's got leaf springs, and it rides on 17-inch wheels. So you could tell the quality of the ride is very different. Now, let's look back at the cabin of the TRD Off-Road. That massive 14-inch screen and all the technology is really pleasant to interact with. For example, this rear view image is provided to you by 5 cameras. There's one in the front, one at each mirror, and also 2 cameras in the back, one at the tailgate and one right above the rear window, giving you this awesome bird's eye view. Now, one quirky thing I've noticed about this is this glove box. For those of you who have the Tacomas, let me know if you guys have any rattles from this glove box fitting this way. And here's another view of the SR5 package versus the TRD off-road. The 9 hybrid version of Tacoma does not have all the fancy batteries under the rear seat, so that comes with the benefit of a storage hubby. So once we lift those rear seats, you can see you can stow away tools, straps, whatever. You don't get that luxury in a hybrid where the batteries take up all the space. Some of you prefer the simplicity of the SR5 with minimum technology, whereas some of you would actually splurge for the 14-inch monitor and all the tech. So now let's talk about protecting your favorite Tacoma. I wanted to show you a couple things that were purchased for this truck. We're looking at some seat covers by the company called Roughliners, and this is specifically for the dog owners, hunters who put stuff in the back, dirty dogs. This really helps to protect your seats quite well. It covers the entire rear row. It also kind of protects the access to the front row. So these are truly, truly excellent, and these were just picked up at the local Friendly Neighborhood Amazon website. The other thing is the last fit liners. These are really great for the Tacoma, and they're about half the price of the WeatherTechs. And then of course the third item is the neoprene rough country seat covers. These protect your seats quite well. They wash really easily, and the installation was a bit tricky. If you would like a video on that, please let me know in the comments below. And there's another little item for the armrest here from Amazon. For the more detailed walk around and look at the Toyota Tacoma SR with a manual transmission, go ahead and follow the link in the description below and check it out. Thank you for watching. I enjoyed sharing with you this new Tacoma. Please stay tuned, consider subscribing, liking, and we will give you some more updates on this new 2025 Toyota Tacoma Off-Road Package Premium.